Catalog number 7, Venice, a chestnut filly born in April by Vivaldos, Florestan 1, Donnerhall and Rubinstein 1. This daughter of Vivaldos presents herself with an appearance full of drive and impulsion. She descends from a successful dam line. Grandam Daydream by Donnerhall gave birth to 3 sons who were successful up to advanced level in dressage. One of them is Fürstengold M by Fürstenreich, who achieved numerous victories and placings. Most recently, he competed successfully with the Austrian lady rider Paula Zembati. Successful sport horses out of this mother line are, for example, Bonfire, the Olympic champion under the saddle of Ankie van Grunsveen of Sydney 2000, and Vice world champion in team and individual. Also Landlord, the son of Lord Pizzi, ridden by Sandra Auffahrt in jumping.